Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be swapping out this TV satellite connector. I don't know what they're called. Real easy, 3 screws. Let's go ahead and start. Just pull those out. What are these things called? The Coax? The Coax cable, I guess. Here's the new one. I got this off of Amazon. I'll try to put a link down in the description. It's real basic. There's nothing really fancy to it. That's it. So we're going to take this old one off. We're going to use some of this putty. Here's an example of what it looks like. So we're going to put that on the back side of it. That's going to prevent water from getting inside. It's called butyl tape. And it's just pretty much like a plumber's putty kind of stuff. Use a little screwdriver. Don't push too hard on it. You don't want to penetrate the metal, the sheet metal. And that's what it looks like. So you're just going to unscrew it from the back. Just like that. It comes right off. This can just go right into the trash. Check for any water damage. Look inside of there. Put a flashlight. Everything looks good. No discoloration. We're going to clean up the sheet metal around it. Apply the new butyl tape to the backside of the new connector. And then you're just going to screw it on and then push it right back on. And line up the 3 holes. This one, even though it's aftermarket, it lined up perfectly. I didn't have to do any adjustments or make any changes. All 3 screws lined right up. So that's it. You just screw it right back in. And if you want to take it a further step, you would just put some silicone around the edge of it. That'll further help the butyl tape.